Okay, Bonnie, let's have a look here at SKL. Now, it's perfectly normal to get this pullback down in here. Now, the question is, how low is it going to go? A couple of things to keep in mind here. The 2 week is red also. So, are we going to have a red 2 week candle? Right, if we're going to have a red 2 week candle, then the perfect buy or the safe buy is not until 7 days time. Okay, when this flips green on a new 2 week, and then we have a move back to the upside, for example. Okay, so keep that in mind when rushing into the position. You only want to be buying this if the new weekly candle is green. If you know, we could have a failed bounce and then drop on down again. It's a possibility because the red 2 week is because the 2 week is red, and maybe it wants to close on a pullback on the 2 week chart. So if it's red, then just wait and obviously buy lower, because if we buy lower, I think it is a very, very, very good buy for a move back up. Okay. Um, at this point, it's still in the middle of the road. It could bounce and we could start flipping green. Is this going to bounce up and flip green on a 2 week and move on up? You know, I would probably say not. If you put a gun to my head, I would probably say it'll be a better trade next week. But we never know. Maybe this will bounce back up this week. If this starts flipping green on this week, like say for example, the perfect scenario is to create a stop onto these lows, to dip and then push right back up, and obviously create a bullish engulfing green candle right here, and then then price can go on higher. That's the ideal situation. So I'm actually going to set an alarm just down here at the lows, just in case, right? Because it's a very strong coin, of course, and maybe it will bounce. So it's interesting. Part of me thinks that because the move is so powerful to the upside, maybe it needs that extra week doing this. Like kind of what this done. This whole thing was probably a 2 week consolidation. If I flip to a 2 week chart, um, let me just do this. I don't know if this will work out or not, but well, you can see right there. Look at all that consolidation was basically a 2 week candle. Something similar is very possible.